Magandang hapon po ng Friday, October 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, October 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 11, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, October 11, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for October 11, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, October 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.